So for my project, I picked the Native American dugout canoe. The reason I picked this is because I felt like it had such a big impact when it comes to transportation and the technology that moved us forward, especially when you look at how it shaped a whole culture and then later shaped the American colonist culture. So I built it out of a 3D pen. I thought it would be the easiest way to actually get the shape that I wanted out of it. But I'm actually going to show you how Native Americans made it, sort of, out of this Play-Doh model. So to actually show how this model is vaguely accurate, I'm going to use this Play-Doh model. I put it in kind of like a log shape, and the first thing they would do is cut the ends like this. It was pointy so that it could go through water easily, and then next they would light the middle on fire, and they would scoop out the burnt parts. So we're just going to press it in a little bit. And then they would put it in the rivers and let the water soak up into the wood so make it a little bit softer. And then they would take it out, leave the middle full of water, and then fill it with hot rocks. This would cause the water to start boiling to make it more malleable so that they could actually open it up a little bit and make it more kind of this shape. So just to show that it's kind of accurate to this little canoe that I've made. So the reason it's of historical significance is actually, I think it influenced a lot of the later technologies that followed it. Colonists would mention that the canoe was more flexible when it came to traveling. It could handle harsh waters a lot easier than a bigger vessel could. And if they ever had to go off water for a night and, spend time on the banks, they could easily lift it up out of the water and put it on land. And that was something that they didn't experience until moving to the Americas and seeing that the impact the Native Americans had and how they were able to use this technology to their advantage, especially when it came to travel and trade between different colonies and tribes. So as I did this project, I learned more about the canoe. I actually didn't realize the amount of impact that it did have, and it was a great experience being able to actually research it and look further into this. So I hope my little 3D printed canoe was pretty cool. So thank you for watching.